very good morning, students. This is Kaushalya Rajpurohit, your English teacher, and today we are going to discuss different exercises related to the types of verb. We have already discussed what are adverbs, right? Now, what are adverbs? Adverb is a part of speech that is used to describe a verb, adjective, or another adverb. Now, we have already discussed the types of adverb. We have discussed adverb of time, adverb of frequency, adverb of place, adverb of manner, and adverb of degree. So those who have not watched these videos, please go back and watch those videos first, and then you will be able to understand the exercises. Okay, so those who have not watched part 1 and part 2 of the video for adverbs, please watch them and then come for part 3. Now here we just let us recall what is adverb of time. Adverb of time is the adverb which tells us the time of action, when the action was performed. Was it performed yesterday, before, never, already, soon, lately. Adverb of frequency, it tells us how often the action is performed, how many times the action is performed. Adverb of place tells us the place of action. It tells us where the action was performed or will be performed. Adverb of manner tells us the manner or how the action was performed. And lastly, adverb of degree tells us the intensity or the degree of the action being performed. Like the work is almost completed, fully completed, quite completed, enough, right? Perfectly. All these are examples of adverb of degree. Okay. So I hope you have understood the different types of adverbs. Now you will be able to solve the exercise. So I will take some practice exercise for you, and whenever I will provide PDF and you have to complete those exercises. Okay. So let us see some practice exercises. Please choose the correct adverb to match the sentence. Now this is an example for adverbs of time. Now here you can see still, finally, yet, recently, soon, just, already. All these are adverb of time because they tell us the time when the action was performed, right? So what we have to do is we have to fill these blanks with correct adverb of time. Okay, so let us see. Ahmed has dash finished his university exam. Now here I can use just. That means he has just completed. So the time of action is, so he has just completed. थोड़ा ही time हुआ है उसको उसका एग्जाम कंप्लीट, यूनिवर्सिटी एग्जाम फिनिश किए हुए. I have not dash completed the assignment. Now I have not completed, that means we will have yet. So I have not yet completed the assignment. मैंने अभी तक मेरा assignment complete नहीं किया है अभी तक. This is the adverb of time. Can we dash stay on the mountain range for a few hours more? Now I am on the mountain. They are on the mountain range and they want to stay more. So the adverb of time used will be still. So it will be, can we still stay on the mountain range for a few more hours? Zinzui dash wants to go visit her family in China. Now Zinzui is a Chinese girl and she wants to go to meet her family, right? So what we can use, finally wants to go to visit her family in China. HNA is dash working at his new job as concierge. Now concierge, he is working, right? So now recently what he is doing, that we have discussed. So here we will have recently, मतलब अभी वो क्या कर रहा है. Several scientists have dash discovered the cure for Alzheimer. Now Alzheimer is a disease and several scientists has already discovered the cure. Tahar will dash visit his home country in Algeria. Now the last one, you see we have used still, just, so we have soon. So Tahar will soon visit his home country in Algeria, right? So these are just, I want to just show you the use, right? हमको बस पहचानना है. So if I give you a sentence, Ahmed has just finished his university exam. So what will be the time of action? It will be adverb of time, that is just. I have not yet, still, finally, recently, already, soon. All these are adverb of time, right? Now let us take one more example. Now you need to choose, right? Please choose the correct adverb in the sentence. I am going to bed dash tonight. Now early tomorrow, yesterday. I am going to bed early tonight. मैं आज बेड पे सोने जल्दी मिल जाऊंगी. Rebecca had to eat dinner dash because of her busy schedule. Now Rebecca has a busy schedule, right? उसका schedule क्या है? Busy है. That means उसका dinner खाने में क्या होगा? Late होगा. So I can say late, right? So Rebecca has to eat dinner late because of her busy schedule. So late will be the adverb of time. I have been eating too much fats and refined sugars lately. So the third option will be lately. मतलब मैं बहुत टाइम से बहुत ज़्यादा फैट्स और रिफाइंड शुगर खा रही हूँ. Sushi has to go to the market and buy some ingredients. Now she need to go to the market. So it will be today, right? Because it is go. That is, it is in present tense. So Sushi has to go to the market today and buy some ingredients. TC came to class late. She missed the train. Yesterday TC was late at the class and because she missed her train. If she has missed the train, तो early तो आ नहीं सकती, and then will be not used here. And then is visiting her family. Now and then is a girl and she is visiting her family tonight, lately or then. It will be tonight. Victor is going to study English dash he is going to take siesta. Now first of all, what Victor is going to do? Study, and then he is going to take the siesta. That means then will be the right option. Lisa just finished her novel dash she is going to attend computer. Now Lisa has already finished her novel and now she is going to attend the computer. Now what will you have? Now, okay, so these are the correct options. So let me read the sentences for you one more time. I am going to bed early tonight. Rebecca had to eat dinner late because of her busy schedules. I have been eating too much fats and refined sugars lately. Sushi has to go to the market today and buy some ingredients. TC came to class late yesterday. She missed the train and then is visiting her family tonight. Victor is going to study English dash he is going to take siesta then, and then Lisa just finished her novel dash she is going to attend the computer. Now she is going to attend the computer. So early, late, lately, today, yesterday, tonight, then, now, all are time, adverb of time. Okay. Now let us see one more exercise. Now adverb of frequency. Adverb of frequency क्या होता है? It is the number of times we do some actions, right? अब यहाँ पर कुछ questions है आपके लिए, and let us answer them. Now answer the following questions and circle the adverb of frequency in your answer. How often do you take bath? आप कितनी बार बात करते हो? So what will be the answer? I take bath every day, right? We take bath every day. How often does the sun rise in the east? Sun कब rise होता है east में? The sun rises in east daily. Daily east में rise होता है, right? How often do you obey your parents? आप अपने parents का कब कब obey करते हो? I always obey my parents. How often do you eat? I eat regularly. And how often do you travel by plane? Now plane से तो हम regularly travel नहीं करते, so I rarely travel by plane. मैं कभी कभी तो plane में travel करता हूँ. Now these are the answer to this question, right? Now can you tell me what will be the frequency or adverb of frequency in this sentence? I take bath every day. Now what I take is my action, right? And I am taking bath. But what is the frequency of my action? I do it every day. That means every day will be my adverb of frequency. The sun rises in the east daily. Now rising is the action performed by sun. But how often it is performed? It is performed daily. So daily will be the adverb of frequency. I always obey my parents. Always, right? Always is the frequency of obeying the parents. आप अपने parents को कब कब obey करते हो? हमेशा, right? So always will be the adverb of frequency. How often do you eat? I eat regularly. At regular intervals we eat, right? So regularly will be also an adverb of frequency. I rarely travel by plane. Now rarely will be also an adverb of frequency. So what are adverb of frequency? Adverb of frequency tell us how often we do something, right? So this is all for today. Today we discussed the adverb of frequency and time. Tomorrow we will discuss the adverb of workplace, manner and degree. So this is all for today. Thank you.